Welcome to Vandler by Richard Domeshi. It's our first day on site since the slab was poured, and we have definitely picked up a few lessons along the way. You won't believe what we learned in lesson number 4. Lesson 1, always hire an architect. If your project is located in an HOA community, make sure to follow all the rules and ensure the survey is the first document you provide to the architect. Lesson 2, newsflash. The HOA can overturn an approved plan from the city if the site requirements are not met. Don't play with the HOA community. Lesson 3, it is essential to execute tasks accurately from the get-go. Doing so will result in substantial savings of both time and financial resources. Lesson 4, we were mandated to complete a 3-month redesign following the initial approval of the design by the Homeowners Association community. That was absolutely crazy. Lesson 5, it is essential to plan ahead and effectively manage site work. By doing so, you will minimize stress and facilitate smoother operations.